Imagine a giant invisible librarian that remembers every photo, message, and purchase you've ever made and finds it in a blink. That librarian, it's a database management system. Want to know how it keeps your apps fast, safe, and sane? Stick around and you'll get the whole picture.
A DDMS is software that stores, organizes, and retrieves data for apps. Think database equals bookshelf, DBMS equals librarian plus catalog plus rules.
What it does.
Stores structured data, tables, or unstructured data, documents. Lets apps ask questions using queries.
Key parts.
Storage engine, where bits live. Query processor, translates questions into answers. Transaction manager, keeps updates safe and consistent. Security and backup, protects and recovers data.
Quick metaphor for reliability.
If two people change the same record at once, the transaction manager ensures no chaos, like a librarian who locks a book while you're editing the card.
So why care? DBMSs make apps reliable, fast, and secure, from banks to social apps. Learning DBMS basics gives you the power to build scalable systems or land high-impact jobs.
Want a quick follow-up where I show a live SQL example and 3 tools to start with? Hit like, subscribe, and say SQL demo in the comments. I'll make it next.
All right, if you want to know about computer science, data analytics, AI, machine learning, and computer network, all videos links are added in the description. See you in the next video.